Good morning, students. So today I'm going to explain you the story of God of River. So yesterday I told you it's a story of a farmer and it's his son Ramesh, who is 11 years old, and the name of the farmer is Kishan, who was living in a cottage near the village near a riverside. And Ramesh was a boy who used to go school every day, and there was a thing which was also added in his daily routine was that it was that when his every day his mother used to collect the garbage of his her house, and Ramesh used to throw that garbage into the river on the way to his school. So one day, it was actually his daily routine. Regularly, he used to collect all the garbage of his house and threw it in the river water. So one day, when he was about to do the same thing, he saw that a man is coming out of the river, and he was wearing a golden crown, holding a golden pot with full of water. And he was not looking very much happy. He was actually sad. At first, Ramesh got scared, but he collected all his courage and asked question from the man that why he is looking so sad. The man explained him that he is the god of water who used to live in the river for many years, and he was sad because Ramesh was unintentionally making the river water polluted by throwing garbage every day into the river water. And not only Ramesh but the all other villagers were making the place dirty and smelly. Ramesh was surprised to know that actually he is doing so. So he asked how he was making the river water polluted. The god of river explained him whatever things he used to throw in the river that contains chemical and plastics which make the water polluted for the fishes and other living creatures living in the river water. And he also explained that if anyone will drink this dirty water, he or she could be have the diseases like typhoid or jaundice. So he explained him that whatever the deeds, these things were the things that Ramesh was doing with the water, by throwing the garbage into it, was making the river water harmful for other living creatures. When Ramesh understand, he felt guilty upon himself, and he went back to his home. And the next day he shared his last day experience with his friends and teacher, and he asked the teacher about water pollution. The teacher added more information to him about water pollution, and also suggested him that if he wanted to throw the garbage, he could dig a pit near his house and can put all the garbages into the pit. And after that, when the pit is completely full with the garbage, he could cover the pit with leaves and leave that pit for some days or few days. After few days, he will see that all the garbage will turn into manure, and then he or his father can use these manures into the field. This will be useful for this is not going only to benefit the water, the god of water, and he is not only protecting the river water by getting it dirty or polluted, but he is also utilizing the garbages in a very productive manner. Why? Because if he and his father will do use that manure in the field, it will increase their productivity of the cereals. So, after knowing this, after understanding this fact, Ramesh was very much happy and he told his father all the ways of making manures which was explained to him by his teacher. And the very next day, they used to dig a pit and they started throwing the garbage in that particular pit. So, student, this was a very much useful story, and I hope you also got to know that if you are throwing garbage here and there, you are not only harming you by making the environment polluted or the water polluted. You are not only harming them, but you are harming yourself, your life. So try to do all the things and throwing garbages in a proper manner so that you can have some benefits from them, as Ramesh and his father Kishan has got the benefit of throwing the garbage into the pit. So now we are going to start the exercise, and today I have only done A3, so I will explain you only A3. Write T for true and F for false statements. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Ramesh was 13 years old. It's a false statement. So you will write here F. Why? Because Ramesh was 11 years, not 13. He is 11-year old. 11. So correct will be 11 years old. Now, the next statement, Ramesh always threw the garbage in the dustbin. No, again it is a false statement. Why? Because Ramesh used to throw the garbage into the river. So, up you are going to write Ramesh always threw the garbage in the river. Now, next statement. The place where garbage was thrown become dirty. Now it is your true statement. It is your true statement. So you will write T in the third statement. T in the third one. So we are going to write here T in the third one. And you are going to leave that place. Leave that place. Why? Because it's a true statement. So we are then not necessary that you should write anything. Ramesh saw a woman wearing a silver crown coming out of the river. No, Ramesh, it's a false statement. So you will write here F, and the correct will be Ramesh saw a man wearing a golden crown. Not a woman, he was a man, and he was wearing a golden crown, not silver. So the now next one, that is number 5. The person who came out of the river was very happy. No, again it is a false statement. You will write here F. The person who come out of the river was sad, very sad. Next, last. The teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into the river. The teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into the pit, not river. So now among all these statements, first one is, I try to write it. First one is F, second one is F, third one is true, fourth is F, fifth is F. That means all the statements are false except number 3. Only this statement, this is true, otherwise all the statements are false. False. Last one is false, 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 false. So I will give the answer on the group also, and same time I will discuss the question answers, because tomorrow I will going to ask something from you. What was Ramesh's daily routine? Ramesh's daily routine was to collect the garbage and throw it into the river. How did the god water look? The god water looks very sad. He was very tall and fair, but he was looking very much sad. Why was God of Water sad? The God of Water was sad because people used to throw garbage into his water. So students, we will write the question answers of A4 in tomorrow's class. Attend that class, and rest of the exercises will also done. So till now, whatever we have discussed, you are going to read the story and write the do A3 in your copy, English copy. I will send you the hard words. You are going to copy it and learn the hard words as